Now let's display text on an image. And it's an easy job. All we have to do is call the putText method and pass a few arguments. So I'm deleting everything here except the imread method, and here calling putText cv2.putText method, and it takes a few arguments. First, we need to pass an image, the image where we want to add text. So image, and then the text itself. I want to add neural fork, and we have to pass the coordinates here, x coordinate and y coordinate, in a tuple value. So tuple, and let's say we want to show the text on 500 by 500 position. Then we have to pass the font name, or we can say font face, and then the font size, also known as font scale, and then the font color, it's Bezier format, and we have to pass the value here using tuple. So tuple 0 for blue and full green and full red. Then the thickness of the font, and finally font line, cv2 dot line AA. And now let's pass the value where we have declared variables. So we can say font face equal to cv2 dot font Hershey simplex, then font scale, let's say we want the font size 15, and then the font thickness, let's say we want the thickness 2 pixel. We're getting an error here. Color is Bezier. Any more error? And here let's pass is line type is equal to line AA or line AA. Now let's assign it in a variable. Let's name the variable text on image, and here let's show the original image, cv2.imshow original, the original image, cv2.imshow text on image, and text on image. And now let's run the program to test. Awesome, it's working perfectly. Let's change the font color and the thickness of the font to make it more visible. So we can say 5 pixel and font scale 16, and the color is only red. Quit the program and run it again. Great, now it's more visible. Now let's try adding a few shapes on our image. Let's try adding line first. So we can say, let's comment this line, and here let's declare a variable shape on image and cv2.line. The line method takes a few arguments. At first argument, it takes the image on which we want to draw the line, and at second param it takes a tuple for starting coordinates. Let's say we want to start from 0 by 0, and at the third argument we have to pass the ending coordinates as tuple value. Let's say we want till 3000 by 3000. And at the fourth argument, we need to pass the color. And definitely it's in BGR format. And it will be a tuple value. And we want to pass a red color here. So 0, 0, 2, 5, 5. And at the fifth param, we have to pass the thickness. Let's say we want thickness 5. Now let's show the original image already we are showing and the shape on image. Read the previous program and run it. And we can see a line. It has started from the coordinates 0 and ended at 3000 by 3000 position. What about 4000 by 3000, which is our actual image size? Let's do it. 4000 by 3000. We quit the program again. And we can see it has drawn a line through the corner to corner. Well, if we want, we can draw arrow line, and all we have to do, we have to just change the method name. We can say arrowedLine and run the program. Working perfectly. So if we change the coordinates a little bit, like instead of 4000 we can make it 3500, and instead of 3000 we can say 2500 pixel position. Let's quit the program and run it again. Awesome. Now it's more visible. Now let's draw a circle. The circle takes image at first argument, and at second argument it takes the center coordinates. Let's say we want to draw this circle at 500 by 500 pixel position. 500 by 500 pixel position. At the third argument we can pass the radius. Let's make it 20 for now. So you will see the difference easily, and then the color and then the thickness. Now let's run the program to test. And we can see it here. Let's increase the radius and let's make it 200. Quit the program. Run it again. And we can see it's more visible. What if we want the color inside the circle? How can we do that? Let's go to the program, and here for thickness let's pass -1. Read the program and run it again. And voila. Now let's try drawing a rectangle shape. Simply we have to call the function rectangle. It takes image at first argument, the starting coordinate as tuple, and the ending coordinate as tuple. Let's say we want the ending coordinates at 800 by 800 pixel. Then the color and then the thickness. Let's try with -1 thickness. It should fill the color of our rectangle shape. So let's run the program. And we can see a rectangle shape. It's filled with color. Let's change the thickness. Make it 10. Quit the program and run it again. Awesome. It's working perfectly. That's all about drawing shapes on image for now. And in the next lecture, we'll work with video files.